sky turned dark, the clouds rolled in. A stranger storm, a wicked grin. Raindrops fell, nothing around. Chubby rain hit the ground, but in those drops no water clear. Aliens hiding, breeding fear. They slipped inside, took control, replacing gods with alien soul.
Chubby rain falling from the sky, taking over, making us comply. Chubby rain, it's a twisted fate. The last hope lies with Keith Kincaid.
They spread like fire, they spread like lies, gleaming silver in our eyes. The world we knew is fading fast. In their grip, will we last? A one man stands against the tide. Keith Kincaid was still inside. He's got the fire, he's got the will to take them down, to break the thrill.
Chubby rain falling from the sky, taking over, making us comply. Chubby rain, it's a twisted fate. The last hope lies with Keith Kincaid. Keith Kincaid.
The storm is raging, lightning cracks. Keith's on the move, no turning back. He's the hero we need tonight. He's gonna win this fight with every step, with every breath. He pushes back against sudden death. The alien tide, it starts to wane as Keith fights through the chubby rain.
Chubby rain falling from the sky, taking over, making us comply. Chubby rain, it's a twisted fate. The last hope lies with Keith Kincaid.
Sparklers up, the storm subsides, but Keith's still ready for the ride. He saved the world, he beat the pain, the hero of the chubby rain. Chubby rain, chubby rain, Keith Kincaid has broken the chain. Chubby rain, we're free again.
He saved the world, he beat the pain, the hero of the chubby rain. Chubby rain, Keith Kincaid has broken the chain. Chubby rain,
We're free again.